Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Park the Lincoln MKZ on level ground, turn the ignition off, and set the wipers to service position if your model supports it. This keeps arms up and accessible. Use a tape measure to measure along the rubber edge from tip to tip and record lengths in inches, for example 24 inches and 18 inches as reference values. Check the arm type, hook, pin, or bayonet, and buy replacement blades that match both the length and arm connector so they snap into place without adapters. With the wiper arm locked upright, support the arm near the base so it does not snap back onto the glass. Locate the blade release tab on the connector. Press or lift the tab while sliding the blade down toward the arm hinge to free it from a hook-style connector. For pin or bayonet connectors, follow the same principle. Depress the clip and remove the blade assembly. Inspect the arm hook, spring tension, and blade channel for corrosion or bent metal. Replace the arm if damaged to avoid cutting new rubber. Take the new blade and align its connector to the wiper arm type. Slide it into the hook or pin until you hear or feel a positive click that secures the tab. Gently lower the arm back to the windshield to avoid cracking the glass. Start the car, activate the wipers, and cycle through intermittent, low, and high speeds to verify full contact, quiet operation, and no streaks. If you see streaking or skipping, recheck blade length, ensure the rubber is seated in the channel, and confirm proper spring tension before retesting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.